Vous savez quoi? You know what? Je suis tellement heureuse. I'm so happy to see you guys have so much fun in class. De vous voir vous amuser dans la classe. Je suis tellement heureuse de vous voir vous amuser dans la classe. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much for giving all this joy to all of us. Now we are going to go and look at how to make a small craft with Tiffin. The same advice goes, don't try to understand each and every word she's speaking. Try to understand globally what she's trying to say. And more importantly, enjoy doing what you do. Okay, the language will get automatically integrated into you. Okay, so don't worry about understanding every word. Just enjoy the entire sentence, try to decipher what she says, and then go on, have fun making this craft. Okay? Amusez-vous bien.
Bonjour, salut, bienvenue dans ce nouveau tuto. Welcome in this new tuto. Devinez de quoi, qu'est-ce qu'on va fabriquer aujourd'hui? Guess what we are going to make today? Haha. Eh oui, des masques africains, des masques Fang. But before I enjoy the place where I am to show you the beauty of the spring in France. We are just next to a lac. Lac. Vous le voyez? Do you see it? Blue behind me, c'est le lac. C'est beau. C'est trop beau. So beautiful. So maintenant, now we are going to speak about Gabon. Let's go in Gabon. Le Gabon. Vous voyez the flag of Gabon? Et le Gabon is in the center of Africa. And you will listen the hymn, the national anthem of Gabon. In Gabon, 80% of population speak French language. It was colonized by French people long time ago. Alors, first, where can we find this kind of mask in France? Guess, in which city do you recognize? Eh oui, Paris, au musée du Quai Branly. C'est là que se trouve all the traditional art from everywhere in the world except from Occident. So it comes from l'Asie, l'Afrique, l'Océanie. Vous pouvez voir quel genre d'œuvre on y trouve. L'Afrique, bien sûr, avec des sculptures comme cela. Alors, so what are the particularities of le masque Fang? Alors, comme vous pouvez le voir, as you can see, I will show you. Voilà. Voilà. Do you see? Est-ce que vous voyez? Oh, c'est dur. Voilà. Alors, regardez. Two small yeux. Les yeux. Des petits yeux. A big nez. Un très grand nez. A very small bouche. A very little bouche. Donc, une toute petite bouche, un grand nez, deux petits yeux des sourcils bien marqués et un très grand, big front. D'accord? Donc c'est la particularité des masques Fang. The Fang masks were worn with this kind of costume by Gabon people. It was made to protect house and family from empoisonment, from bad luck and things like that. Vous voyez un autre masque Fang. Voilà. The difference is this one is rond. Il est plus rond. The other one, they are very long. Today you will have to make a mask like this, very long. Ok? Très long. Alors, est-ce que vous le reconnaissez ce peintre? Eh oui, c'est Picasso. Picasso were inspired a lot by African art. You can see les masques. Vous voyez des grands yeux et surtout, donc les yeux, un grand nez tout droit, like a rectangle, et une toute petite bouche. Voilà, et vous pouvez toujours voir ce très long nez avec ses gros sourcils. Voilà un autre masque Fang. D'autres artistes, d'autres peintres ont été inspirés par l'art africain. Ok? Alors donc aujourd'hui, je vais vous demander de faire votre propre masque Fang. To make your own Fang mask. Fang was a tribals in Gabon. Alors you will need a few objects. First, des ciseaux. Coupe, 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 ciseaux. De la colle. De la colle. Également, I buy it in India a few years ago. I will show you. Oil pastels. And I want only one color, le blanc. This one, the white. Okay, white. Because Gabon people, for their mask, they used to use clay. Okay, so clay which make the white color. So we will use oil pastel, and after you will have to buy, or maybe you can recycle some papers from different colors. Okay. So I found this color. It's okay. So first you will cut some triangles. D'accord? You can cut some triangles in several colors, dans toutes les couleurs. Vous pouvez découper un grand rectangle pour le nez. Le nez sera un rectangle. Et vous avez reconnu la bouche. La bouche. Voilà. Vous pouvez en découper plusieurs. And after, you have to cut the mask. Donc very long. I began, but I did not finish. Okay. Very long. And now I will show you the mask that you see at the beginning. It's my daughter which make it. She's 6 years old. So very symmetric. And another one more free, but which is also very beautiful, from my little daughter. She's 4 years old. You can see les yeux tout en haut, the eyes, the long yellow nez, and the small bush. Voilà. Eager to see your own mask, and see you later. Au revoir tout le monde, et merci de m'avoir écouté.
Et maintenant, pour la partie life skills. Okay, for the life skill part now, you are going to answer this question. How will you describe yourself? How will you describe yourself? Use all the adjectives that you can, describe your physical aspect, your emotional aspect, your spiritual aspect, your aspect with the relationship or of people around you, everything, okay? So describe yourself, be generous to you, and most importantly, you have to be kind to yourself, okay? So just give all the compliments that you want to give to yourself. Décrivez-vous. Si vous pouvez ajouter des mots de français, if you can add some words in French in your description, it's great. If it's not, if you want to do it in English, it's still great. And if you don't want to write, you want to just speak and audio record it, that is also great. Okay, you can do however you want, but it will be a nice challenge if you can try to integrate whatever we have learnt. Okay, thank you, merci, à bientôt.